dance teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today we are going to continue the topic of data handling. Data means already I told you in the previous video information. So we can show that we can represent the data in the three methods and more here. So what are those methods here? Tally marks, pictograph, and bar graph. So these are the ways to represent the data: tally marks and pictograph and bar graph. And you have one more way also, that is pie chart. Pie chart. Now today we are going to learn about the data representation in the way of tally marks. The following are the marks obtained by 27 students in a maths test has conducted by teacher. So these are the marks which are obtained by students. See, use tally marks. We need to use a tally marks to record the data. Okay, to write the data we need to use a tally marks. See, these are the marks has given children, and the marks, see how it is looking, which marks you can see here. Mostly you can see here 20, and what numbers you can see, observe carefully, 21 also, and 22 also, somewhere here 22, here 22, and here 22, and here also 22, and some more got the 23 marks and some more got the 24 and 25. Means marks are, which type of marks they got here? 20 marks, 21 marks, 22 marks, 23 marks, 24 marks, 25 marks. These are the marks which are obtained by the students. Okay. Now see, based on this some questions has given. First let's show these numbers in the tally marks. How to show? Here I am showing the tally marks here. See first marks. I am arranging in columns that information. See first marks. What type of marks the students obtained. And here number of students. How many students that marks is obtained. Number of students. And the next column I am taking as a tally marks. Yeah, we need to show the number of students in the form of tally marks. Let's write what type of marks they got here. First they got 20 marks, next 21, some are got 22, some are got 23, some are got 24, and some are got 25. These are the types of marks the students are occupied or obtained. Come on now, 20 marks. How many students got 20 marks here? See here in this column we don't have 20, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students got 20 marks here. Okay. So in this row we need to write 7. How many students? 7 students 20 marks got. Okay. And coming to 21 marks. How many students got 21 marks? So here in this column we don't have. Here 1. Wherever you have the 21 you need to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students. Okay, 6 students 20 marks here. Okay. And 22 marks, 21 marks. So 22 marks. Let's count for 22 marks. Okay. How many students got 22 here? See, 1 here, 2. Only 2 students got 22 marks. Now, how many students got 23 marks? Let's count here. 1. Here 2, 3, 4. So 4 members got 23 marks. Now 24 marks. 24 marks, no? So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 students obtained 24 marks. Now let's count for the 25 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 students got 25 marks. Okay. Come on, let's show this number of students in the form of tally marks. How to show the number of students? Tally marks nothing but we are making a group with the 5 students or with the 5 numbers. Okay. So here we have 7. First, come on, how to show that 7 here? 1, 2, 3, 4 students, and 5th student I am taking as a slanting line. Okay. I'm using here vertical lines and slanting lines. Okay. For the students. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the 5th one, I am making a slanting line, 5 students. Means with the 5 students, I am making a group. Okay. And 6, 7. Okay. So 7 students we have now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the 5th student, I am taking slanting line. Means one group. And 6th one and 7th one. Now let's see the 6 members, 6 students. Okay. So 6 students, how we can show on the tally mark here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am taking as a slanting line 5, and now 6th one. And next 22 marks, 2 students got. Okay. So 2 means 1, 2. Here we can't make a group. Why? Because here more than the 5 means we can make a group. We can complete one group and we can make another. We can start another group. But here no chance to make another group. Here only in the first group means 2 students. And 23, 4 members. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 members. And 24 marks, 4 members. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 25 marks, 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Okay. So these are the students children I have shown in the tally marks. So for the 5th student we are taking as a slanting line, nothing but that group is a one that we are treating as a one group, and if we have more number of students than the one group, so we are starting as a other group. Okay, these are the way to show the tally marks. And based on this table they have asked some questions. Come on, let's reply and let's say the answers for that. Now, how many students got the maximum marks? Maximum marks means here which are the bigger marks, means more marks. Maximum marks number is 25, no children. So 25 marks. How many students got 25 marks? They are asking. Okay. So how many students got the maximum marks? Maximum marks are 25 children. So how many students are there for that? See, 4 students got 25 marks. So the answer for it, 4 students. Okay. Come on. How many students got the minimum marks? Minimum marks means less marks, which are 20 in this. Okay. Which are 20. Less marks, no? 20. How many students got here? 7 students. So answer for the second question is 7 students. Now, how many students got 22 marks? 22 marks. These are the 22. So how many students got here? 2 students. So here answer is 2 students. 7 students and 4 students. So this is the way to show on the tally. This is the way to show the data, given information or given data in the representation of tally marks, and these are the questions which is based on the tally marks table. Come on children, let's do the next problem. Have a look at this question. The given table shows how 40 students travel to school. Okay, this table is showing some children are traveling by bus, some children are traveling by car, and some are by bicycle, and some are by walk. So see here, draw tally marks and answer the question. See, the given student number also children, we need to show these numbers in the tally marks, and we need to write the answers for the given questions. Let's arrange these numbers into the tally marks first. Come on, first one here, mode of transport, by bus. By bus, how many students are traveling here? By bus, 15 students are traveling. Come on, let's show this 15 in the tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the fifth, I am taking slanting line. So 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one. Okay. Then next 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th one. Okay. So 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15th one. So 15 students. Means we can make this in 3 groups. Okay. Once again I am repeating children, 15 students, no? 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one as a slanting. Now 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th one as a slanting. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 11th one as a slanting. So these are the 15 I have shown in the tally marks. Now see, students travel by car. How many students are traveling by car? 8 students. Let's arrange this 8 in a tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the slanting fifth one. 6, 7, 8. So 8 students I have shown in the tally mark. Now by bicycle. How many students are traveling by bicycle? 7 students. Okay. Let's write this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the fifth one. 6 and 7. So this is the 7 students I have shown in the tally mark. And last one by walk. How many students are traveling by walk here? 10 students. Come on, let's show this 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the way to show the tally marks children for the given numbers. Come on, let's answer for the given question. See, what are the questions here? How many students walk to school? How many members are walking children here? See, they given here number 10. Number of students, no? So, how many students are going by walk here? So, 10 students. So, the answer for it, 10. 10 students. 10 students are walking to the school. Now, second question here. How many students travel by bus and by car? By bus and car together they are asking children. So how many students are traveling by bus? 15 students. Okay, 15 students by bus plus together means plus no children, and by car here 8 students. So 15 plus 8 children. Okay, so 15 plus 8 means 15 after next 8 numbers. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So how many students are traveling by bus and the car here? 23 students. Okay. So 23 students are traveling by bus and also car. Now come on, answer third one here. How many students do not use a bicycle? Okay. Means how many students are not coming by bicycle? Okay, other than the bicycle, so other mode of transport you can take other than the bicycle. So other than the bicycle means what you have here? You have to take here bus, car and walking students. Okay, not the bicycle. The question is here, do not use a bicycle. Do not use a bicycle means you have to take the other 3 mode of transports which are coming by bus and coming by car and also coming by walk. Let's take here. Bus students are here 15 students. You need to add the 3, okay? And car students are 8 students. and walk also you need to take here 10. Other than the bicycle means the remaining 3 transport you need to take. Okay. Come on. 15 plus 8 in the previous program only I done 23. 23 after next 10. 23 after next 10 is 33 children. Okay. Come on. So 33 students are going to school other than to school, and they are not using a bicycle means they are going by other transport. So these are the way to draw the tally marks, and these are the way to give the answers for the given questions. I'll give some worksheet, children. You have to do that worksheet as I shown in the running video.
Have a look at this question, children. They have given 4 different games, and they have given in the table, you see children, 3 columns. One column is game name, and one column is tally marks, and one more column is number of students. And total 25 students are there. And which games are there here? Cricket, football, tennis and badminton. You have to write how many students are playing cricket, how many students are playing football, and how many students are playing tennis, and also how many students are playing badminton. You need to write the number in 3rd column, and in 2nd column you need to draw the tally marks for the students. And down of the table, you can see below the table, children, they have given some question based on the table. After filling the table, you should answer the following questions. Yes, children, this is the second question in a worksheet. What question it is here? In a class, 35 students are there, children, and the given numbers are marks of English test of the 35 students. There you need to write these marks as a tally marks, children. How to make the table here? You have to make the table with the 3 columns which are here. The marks is from 1 to 10 only, children. You make the column of 1 to 10, and one more column you need to make the number of students, means 1 mark how many students got, 2 marks how many students got, you need to see in the given. And one more 3rd column is with the tally marks. After getting the number of students, you can write the tally marks, children. And the down of the table, they given the down of the question, they given some questions, children, based on the table. You have to, after completing the table, you have to answer the following questions from the table. Thank you, children.